Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue to explore the features of Syncfusion Angular Scheduler. In this video, we will walk through how exporting works in the Syncfusion Angular Scheduler and explore how you can easily share or back up your event data by exporting to Excel, generating ICS files, or printing your schedule. First up, exporting to Excel. The Angular Scheduler makes it simple to turn your events into a professional-looking spreadsheet using the built-in exportToExcel method. You can instantly export all the events currently displayed in the scheduler in Excel format. You can also export the schedule data in CSV format. By default, it uses a comma as the separator, but you can change it using the separator property in export options. If you need to include or exclude certain details, like removing the location field, you can do so by specifying which fields to export when calling the method. The exported file will contain only the specified fields, excluding the location field. For even greater control, export selected events by passing your own data collection using the custom data option. Only the custom data will appear in the exported file. If your schedule includes recurring events, setting the Include Occurrences property to true ensures every single instance of that event appears in the Excel file, not just the main record. Want to make your exported file look just the way you like? You can rename column headers for better clarity. For example, changing subject to summary or start time to from. Need more flexibility? The Excel Export API lets you fine-tune the spreadsheet before it downloads, adjusting formatting, adding headers or footers, or even canceling the export if needed. Want to share your schedule with external calendars like Google or Outlook? The ICS exporting feature makes it simple with the exportToICalendar method. You can export all your events into a standard ICS file, which works smoothly with other calendar apps. And if you want to import events from another calendar, just use the importICalendar method. Upload the ICS file, and your events will instantly appear in your scheduler, keeping everything up to date across calendars. Sometimes, you just need a hard copy of your schedule, and that's where printing comes in handy. The print method lets you print your scheduler exactly as it appears on the screen. You can print the current view for quick access, or use print options to adjust the layout, height, and width for a perfectly formatted page. It's an easy way to get a clean, paper version of your schedule for meetings or when you're working offline. With the Before Print event, you can easily customize the print layout by adding a custom header or footer before the schedule is printed. So that's it. Whether you're exporting events to Excel, syncing your scheduler with other calendar apps using ICS files, or printing, the Angular Scheduler exporting feature gives you everything you need to manage and share your events easily and efficiently.